My friend Dre asked me to do a video on how I size helmets in Armorsmith. This is probably going to be best viewed in landscape mode if the app allows. I'm going to do this with this $20.99 Spider-Man helmet from Printables. This is what Armorsmith looks like when you first load it up. I've already created my avatar where I entered all of my measurements of every single body part. This actually took a really long time to set up. Thankfully, we only have to do this once. Since we're focusing on helmets, I'm going to zoom in on my head and import the STL for the mask. And yes, I did blur out my chest. This is not that kind of channel. Once the STL loads, we can attach it right to our head and fit it. So here we can see that the mask looks a little bit too small. We can use the crossbars here to kind of move that helmet back and forwards, up and down, and place it where we want it. Usually I just try to line up the eyes here. Once I've got it positioned where I want, I rotate the avatar around and check the fitting. My ears are sticking out a bit, so I can use the scaling tool in the bottom left-hand corner to resize the helmet. I use a uniform scale and I just bump it up a few percentage points. As I scale it up, I'll move the helmet up and down just to reposition it to get it where I'd like. I just happen to know from experience that the ears on this avatar stick out a little bit more than my actual ears do. So even though here it looks like my ears would be sticking out of the helmet, I know this is actually going to work for me. As I'm scaling, I'll also take into account whether or not I'm going to be adding padding to the helmet, which normally I do. So in those cases, I will scale up just a little bit to make room for padding. Once I'm happy with the fitting, I'll just take that same scaling percentage and enter it into my slicer. There are other tools out there you can use to scale your helmets. This is just how I do it.